Blockchain protocols must allow financial assets to move seamlessly across traditional and on-chain infrastructures to achieve mainstream adoption. Donnell Dixon, CEO of Stellar Development Foundation, hammered home this crucial point in conversation with Crypto Moon during Paris Blockchain Week. From moving from the beginning, we focused on making money move like email, but we really understood that to do that, you needed the on and off ramps and couldn't rely on the transacting with volatile cryptocurrencies, Dixon said. The SDF CEO is a former trial lawyer who went on to work at Yahoo and Mozilla. Reflecting on her journey into the blockchain ecosystem, Dixon credited Stellar founder Jed McCaleb for luring her to the Layer 1 protocol. The former Mozilla COO added that her decision to work with Stellar was driven by the decentralized protocol's focus on tokenization and fast, low-fee payments that can impact developing economies. And she said that the ability to tokenize assets on Stellar and link seamlessly to fiat payment rails and gateways has been vital in allowing the protocol to provide utility to its users. Dixon's background at Mozilla also remains a guiding compass. She said that driving interoperability between major blockchain protocols is a motivating force behind her work. The blockchain ecosystem of 2024 is home to hundreds of different protocols that offer users varying and debatable degrees of utility. Communities of these various protocols have also become fervent defenders of their respective blockchains, a point that Dixon said detracts from advancing the utility of the underlying infrastructure. She said, she pointed to recent network outages and congestion issues across major protocols, including the likes of Solana and various Ethereum Layer 2 protocols, including Base, Arbitrum, and Starknet. These challenges are actually bad for the blockchain ecosystem because it makes people look over and say, maybe we shouldn't get into this. Dixon said, social media platforms have become the vehicle upon which this tribalism continues as users supporting different protocols take potshots at others from time to time at a higher level. Dixon said there is more thought, share, and support than people would realize. Dixon added that individuals and organizations that are driving the adoption of decentralized protocols share a common belief that the industry is not a winner-takes-all market. Anybody who's spent any time on the internet understands that. Look what happened when we actually did have 5 winners take all the content side of the web, and that didn't play out well for anybody who's trying to compete. Fiction added. The Stellar Development Foundation launched smart contracts on the Stellar network in February 2024.
Dixon said the launch of the Sorban platform was driven by a need for advancing programmability to create a greenfield space for developers on Stellar.
Cool minds will prevail, Dixon concludes, while stressing that utility needs to remain a core focus for blockchain and cryptocurrency proponents.